If you're looking to add your Asana tasks directly to your Google Calendar, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, we'll show you exactly how to sync your tasks from Asana into your Google Calendar so you can stay organized and never miss a deadline. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete guide on how to make this integration seamless. But first, before we dive into the steps, did you know you can use Asana for free with a bunch of bonuses? Check out the link in the description below for an exclusive free trial and more perks that will help you take your task management to the next level. Now, let's get right into it. First things first, you'll need to have your Asana and Google Calendar accounts ready. If you don't already have them, go ahead and set them up. Don't worry, both offer free versions that will work for this. Next thing you'll want to do is go into your Asana project that contains the tasks you want to sync. Once you're inside the project, you'll see the Calendar view in the top right corner. This is where you can start to visualize your tasks in a calendar format. Now, here's the step that ties everything together. To sync tasks with Google Calendar, you need to enable the integration. In Asana, go to the Project Actions menu, usually represented by 3 dots, and click on Export/Print. From there, select Sync to Calendar. You'll be given an option to sync with either Google Calendar, iCal, or Outlook. Choose Google Calendar. After that, Asana will generate a link for your calendar feed. Copy that link and head over to your Google Calendar. In the left sidebar, look for Other Calendars and select from URL. Paste the link you just copied from Asana and hit Add Calendar. That's it. You'll now see your Asana tasks displayed on your Google Calendar with their due dates and any additional details you've added. You can even set up reminders so you never miss a thing. The fourth thing to note, if you update a task's due date or change details in Asana, it will automatically update in your Google Calendar. This keeps everything synced up in real time, so you don't have to worry about double-checking everything manually. Before we finish up, there's one more pro tip for you. If you want to sync specific tasks or only certain projects, you can filter which tasks appear on your Google Calendar by customizing the project view or creating separate calendars. This gives you more control over what shows up. So, in a quick recap, you've now learned how to add Asana tasks to Google Calendar with just a few steps. Enable Calendar Sync in Asana, copy the link, paste it in Google Calendar, and you're all set. Keep your tasks up to date and always visible alongside your other events and appointments. Remember, the link to get Asana completely free with exclusive bonuses is in the description below. Enjoy the extra perks and start managing your tasks like a pro. Thanks for watching.